may ituturo po ako sa inyo on how to register sa MLBB Edu, yung through the use of this one. Ito. Yung makikita nyo lang to siya or makukuha nyo siya through if bibili kayo ng Richoco and Riches na pagkain. And through Richoco and Riches. Ito yung mukha niya, guys. Ito yung mukha niya. Ito siya pag kukuha kayo or bibili kayo ng kain, Richoco, which is ito yung makikita. Yeah. It has specific color and kuha ko is Goshen. Yan siya. Then these are the in order for you to stir. And titignan na if ba tayo makukuha dito. If I'm not. And so, all we need to do is to go in. Pwede kang gumamit ng Chrome or Google. Yeah, Google. Then, after is, we will search or we'll type here mlbb.edu. Yan. Then after makikita nyo to, yung first is landing page yan. We will click that one. Then we will wait kasi loading. Then after that, yan, meron siya nakalagay dito, log in or register. Since di pa tayo nakapag-register, ito yung i-click natin yung register, yan. Then after, we will put here our email. Ba't ayaw na? Yan, emails. Yan. Then our cell phone number. Then our password. Sample is this one. And if you will put your password pala, you just need to follow this, yung sinasabing, kasi kailangan siya ng mga upper letter case, then mga letters yan, and it must be composed of 6 ata, yan. Sample ganito, sample child. And child. Then, yan. Then, ulitin natin. Child. Yes. Then, of course, our first name. Then, middle name. And of course, we should not forget our birthday. Yan. Also, our birth month. Yan. Then of course, our residence, yung specific natin, ako kasi sa Visayas. Visayas. Then after, we will click create account. Then, ang sabi dito is email already registered. Why? Because naka-registered na po ako. Yan. Pagkatapos niyan po, di ba? Pagkatapos yung or after clicking that create an account, dito na tayo mapupunta sa nakapupunta. Yan, dito na tayo mapupunta. After that, is meron siya mga nakalagay dito yan. Ito makuha your favorite meal through air face up. Then yan. Yung gear up and get a change to win. Pwede ka manalo nito. Then after, dito lang tayo pupunta. Claim your reward. After claiming your reward, maghihintay muna tayo ng mga ilang minutes yan. Then, after we need to click this one, scan card. Kasi meron tayong card and meron siyang QR code. And we need to scan this one. Yan. After, may nagsabi dito na focus your camera at the QR code to scan. Then, i-close natin to. Then, let's scan. Yan. Dapat clear siya. Pero ba't di clear? Hindi siya clear. Yan. After na, you can click this lucky box. Yan. Tapos open. Yan. Then, thank you, you are not lucky. Not lucky kasi wala siyang laman. Maybe yung iba meron siyang laman pero sa akin wala siya. Makakakuha ka ng free skin at iba pa. Pero ang recommendation ko lang is bumili na lang kayo ng maraming Ray Choco and Ray Cheese para marami di kayo makuha. You can get also a lot of diamonds through this one. And I hope you enjoy and you learn a lot from me.